If you haven't seen Green Kubi's 40-minute video on his version of the Collatz conjecture, I don't care. The Collatz conjectures, or for a better term, the algorithm used in it, says that odd numbers have to be multiplied by 3 and added 1 to them. If they are even, you divide them by 2. We can start by adding x as our input and making it an integer to put through the algorithm. By creating a while loop, it can iterate until it meets our condition, when x is not greater than 1. If it is not broken when x is less than or equal to 1, it will end in an endless loop. This also counteracts if x is negative, because negative numbers have known loops in the algorithm. By using the modulus function to return the remainder when x is divided by 2, we can check if it's even, divide x by 2, and print x afterwards. Since we already checked if x is even, there is no need to check the mod of x by 2, we can simply put else and continue as normal. When the condition of the while loop is broken, the code continues as normal. We can print either a 4-to-1 loop or a negative number, because those are the only conditions in which the loop can break. Run the code, but wait, when printing x, it has a decimal. We can change the print statement so that x prints as an integer. If we put a non-integer into x, there's an error. We can check for errors using a try and except function. We can put a non-integer into x, but will return enter an integer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, follow, share, save, email, text, post, print, laugh this video for a